Welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today's tutorial is TTS Reader, a great software. TTS Reader is a great software that can be used for so many things. It can read written text out loud and also create voiceovers. It can transform any article, email, or PDF into a podcast. Imagine listening to your favorite articles or important emails while driving or exercising. This tool reads aloud whatever you type, making it incredibly versatile and user-friendly. It's especially beneficial for individuals with speech difficulties, allowing them to communicate verbally through a synthesized voice, thanks to its advanced AAC, augmentative and alternative communication features. Having been rigorously tested over many years, it has proven to be highly reliable and efficient, serving millions of users worldwide. Its performance shines, particularly when handling lengthy texts, ensuring that even the longest documents are read out smoothly and accurately. Listen to some of the best stories ever written. They have an extensive library to choose from. Want to upload your own? Use the main player to upload EPUB files. Paste any URL, and it will import and read it out loud. It reads web pages directly from within the page with their Chrome extension. For mobile users, TTS Reader is available on both iOS and Android. It also includes the option to export audio to MP3 files. Make your website speak your content with a single line of code, hassle-free. Support their development team and enjoy an ad-free, enhanced experience. Commercial users and publishers are required to get a premium license for only $2 a month. Upload some great content for proofreading and transform it into an audiobook to listen to on the go. Whether you want to listen to any web page or convert an ebook into an audiobook, our tool makes it simple. This feature helps you read along for improved speed and comprehension, making it easier to absorb information. Additionally, you can generate high-quality audio files from text, turning any document into an accessible audio format. This is perfect for multitasking, allowing you to listen to your favorite content while driving, exercising, or performing other activities. TTS Reader is an excellent tool for individuals with visual impairments or reading difficulties. Listening to textual content, lectures, articles, and web pages becomes an essential method for accessing and comprehending information. TTS Reader can read out text in multiple languages, offering both listening and speaking practice for learners. By hearing the text read aloud, users can enhance their comprehension skills and pronunciation. Children love stories, and while reading to them yourself is ideal, TTS Reader can step in when you're unable to. You can set the voice and speed to match their comprehension level, making the experience enjoyable and educational. For kids learning to read, TTS Reader is effective as it highlights each sentence being read, helping to strengthen their reading skills. Drag, drop, and play, or directly copy text and play. It's that simple.
No downloads, no logins, no passwords, no FUS.
Enjoy a user-friendly experience listening to great content. Perfect for background listening, proofreading, kids, and more. Learn more, including a YouTube video we made here. We offer high-quality, natural-sounding voices from various sources. Choose from male and female voices in different accents and languages. Select the voice you prefer, insert your text, and click play to generate synthesized speech and enjoy listening. TTS Reader remembers the article and the last position when paused, even if you close the browser. This way, you can resume listening right where you left off. It works on Chrome and Safari on mobile too, making it ideal for listening to articles. In many ways, synthesized speech has advantages over recorded podcasts. Firstly, you have unlimited, free content, including high-quality articles and books that aren't available on podcasts. Secondly, it's free. Thirdly, it uses minimal data, making it available offline and saving you money. If you enjoy listening on the go, such as while driving or walking, get our free Android text reader app. TTS Reader can extract text from PDF files and read it aloud. It's also useful for copying text from PDFs. It highlights the text being read, so you can follow along with your eyes. For those who want to listen to websites like blogs, news, and wikis, our free Chrome extension is a must-have. TTS Reader also allows exporting synthesized speech to MP3 audio files, available on Windows with TTS Reader's premium version. For the premium TTS Reader, the cost is only $2 a month, which is a fair price for what you get. Please subscribe to my channel to get all my videos that will come out soon. Check the links below for TTS Reader and all the rest of my great videos.